Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2018 Chrysler Pacifica Touring, stock number B9978P. 10,000 miles in this Pacifica, comes to us with a clean auto check history report, velvet red in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and a 7-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. Power sliding doors on both sides of the van. Seat 7 with a cloth interior. Stow and go seating allows the second and third row to fold flat into the floor. Windows do go down in the sliding doors, along with power venting rear quarter windows. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors. And power liftgate for convenience. Deep storage well behind the third row, lots of space for cargo or for those seats to fold back into. Hooks on the back side, perfect for plastic grocery bags. Folding those seats is very easy. Can of course fold them in any combination, give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. Power sliding doors operate off the key fob or a simple pull of the handle. High back bucket seats in the middle row recline. Have hooks in the seats for the latch system to keep child seats completely secure. When they're in the upright position, you have all the additional storage space below. This Touring has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect push button start. Large, easy to read gauges, again only 10,000 miles, with driver information system, as well as customizable dash, all controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control. Large 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. 3-zone temperature control, driver, passenger, and rear heat and air. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. 9-speed automatic transmission with a rotary dial shifter. Hard keys for the things used most often. USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices. Lots of storage space in the center console. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, power liftgate and sliding door controls, and HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Pacifica has a 3.6 liter V6, 287 horsepower. And of course, just as clean under the hood as the rest of the van. Excellent fuel economy. EPA average of 19 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 28 on the highway, and approximately 60% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.